Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to thread a bobbin on your brother's sewing machine. Now, I know this might seem a little tricky at first, but trust me, once you get a hang of it, it's super easy. Alright, let's jump right in. First of all, make sure your brother's sewing machine is turned on and ready to go. Then, take your thread spool and place it on the vertical spool pin at the top of your machine. Now, grab at the end of the thread and guide it into the upper thread guide, including the bobbin winder tension discs. You can follow a handy diagram right on the machine that's given for your reference. Take your empty bobbin, locate the tiny hole, and pass the thread through the little hole in the bobbin. Make sure you go from the inside out. Then push the spindle to the right to lock it in the place. Now hold on to the thread end tightly and use your foot paddle to start winding the bobbin. Just give it a quick press and let the machine do its thing. Once you wound enough thread around the bobbin, cut the thread, then push the spindle back to the left and remove the bobbin. Perfect. Now that you've wound the bobbin, let's move on to inserting it into the bobbin case. First, head over to power switch and turn off your sewing machine. Now, turn the hand wheel towards you to raise the needle all the way up. Go to the bobbin holder area, just slide it towards you to open the needle plate cover. Alright, now take your bobbin and insert it into the bobbin case. Make sure the thread is unwinding in a counterclockwise direction. After that, slide the thread into the little slit, then pull it around clockwise until it snaps into the notch. Now, leave about 15 centimeters of thread hanging around. Then reattach the bobbin cover plate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.